I just got done putting on these, they're called Torpedo lights. I got them from Amazon, 5 of them for, I think it was like 80 bucks. Not bad at all. They look really good. For the Peterbilt, this is a 1990 Peterbilt. Factory or whatever these torpedo lights came with was the hole there, but it's like 1 inch. I just drilled another little hole and it worked. Some of the existing riv nuts did stay on there, so that was good. Otherwise, all I did was just even drill through the cab, took the headliner off, put some nuts. Just got done. I think it looks great. Cleaned up the horns, took them apart, made sure they work. Damn right, they look good. And I just put this visor on too. It's the 12-inch drop gangster visor, it's called. I'll get down and take a better video. So I just got done putting these torpedo lights on. And if anyone is wondering, this is what the 12-inch gangster drop visor looks like from Raneys. I think it was like 390 bucks. Not bad at all. The way it goes on is you gotta grind off 3 of these rivets in the cab. Pretty simple. There's like a little plastic piece that runs right here in the cab. Just pop that off, slide those nuts through, or bolts and nuts, and then there's a little plate you gotta mount. You gotta kind of drill through the little rubber grommet on the windshield right here. There's 2 bolts sticking through there. It's just a little plate that you put on, and then 2 bolts that it's a 2-piece visor is what it is. So the 2 bolts into the visor, and then 2 bolts that bolt onto this plate that you mount on the cab, and that's it. I mean, there's these 3 bolts and nuts, and then I got silicone on all of them. It's all sealed up. Very simple to put on. I had some help. Makes it 30 times easier. So that's good. All done now. I got the horns working. Looking good.